Good morning. Well, it's insulation day. I picked the hottest day of the year to do the blow-in insulation up in the attic because I'm an idiot. But I don't have much of a choice. Got to get it done. So we're blowing in the insulation today. Got my blowing insulation machine. The cellulose insulation is dumped into here. It does its magic mixing, churning, burning, whatever. Squirts it out through a hose outlet, through this pipe, up into there, and then I'll be up in the attic with the pipe. Got my insulation, a lot of it. We're gonna do R55, so that's, I can't even remember right now the number of inches, but it's a depth of this cellulose insulation, so it's recycled paper that's been chemically treated to be fire retardant. And it makes a really, really good insulation material that can be blown out. They also make a mineral wool. If you recall that I used mineral wool on the sides, they also make a mineral wool type blow-in insulation. I'm not using that because where I'm at right now, it's not available. There's been some production delays and some shipping delays, so I can't get it. It's also very expensive, and they don't have super good sales on that anyway, like I did with the bat stuff. So we'll be using this material. I have my personal protective equipment, breathing masks, eye protection, because this stuff will get in your eyes and mess them up. Bunny suits, one for the bunny suit for the guy on the ground who feeds the machine, full-on bunny suit for the guy up in the attic, because it's blow-in insulation and you're in a hailstorm of shredded paper that's covered in chemicals. You don't want this on your skin, you don't want it in your eyes, you definitely don't want to breathe it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I don't have a tripod or any fancy equipment up there, so I can't really show you while I'm doing it, but there are other YouTube videos where you can see how it's done. Basically, you hold the tube and you spray the goop. So anyway, that's my weekend. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to do R60, which is about 18 inches depth of insulation. I made a stick, made a mark, used that to measure the blow in. It was hot and exhausting work, absolutely wiped me out. We ended up running out of material the first day, which is actually a good thing because otherwise I might have died up there. I was so hot, I thought I was gonna pass out from heat exhaustion. This is me getting ready to come down, just coated in sweat, drenched all the way through. My belt was wet for 2 days. There's John, he needed a rest too. It just absolutely wiped us out. We ended up having to start on the second day after having to purchase some more material from a big box store. And the simple fact of the matter is the quality of the material you're gonna get at Home Depot or Lowe's is crap compared to commercial quality you get from a real supplier. So if you're gonna do this, go buy from a real supplier like Big C Lumber. Here's my stick showing the 18 inches of depth. We finally got it done at the end of the second day, and this is me and John relaxing after completing a hard day's work. Thanks for watching.